In this video, I will show you how to change table line color in Word document. First, you need to click on Insert and click the table and select the number of tables as per your choice. And after that, you need to click on this plus signs and the entire table will be selected. After that, right click and go to the table properties and then click on borders and shading, and after that here you need that under the borders you need to select the style of the borders. For example, I am picking this style, and after that you will see a color options. You need to click on that drop down menu and select the color of your choice. I'm selecting this color, or here you can reduce the width or increase the width. So here I'm selecting the width, and after that click OK and then click OK. So here you can see that the table line color has been changed. So if you think this video is useful and supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.